One purchase, lifelong worry-free service. Today, we're presenting two customer-ordered 6-cylinder water sprinkler trucks, the Dongfeng D9, with a 4,500 mm wheelbase, 1,000 steel tires, a Cummins 230 HP engine, and a fast 8-speed gearbox. The upper-mounted tank has a capacity of 15 to 16 cbm, coming with standard front impact sprinklers, an optional front electronic water cannon, customized tail gravity drainage, and pneumatic control for the water system for effortless operation. For a cost-effective 6-cylinder water sprinkler truck, choose Dongfeng Dolica. For special purpose vehicles, contact Owen Yang